Shubha Sandhya. Again, I am presenting here in front of you to deliver that about the topics of research methodology. In research methodology, there are different chapters. Out of them, today I am going to teach you about that the chapter proposal writing. And for the proposal writing, we need research title, at first research topics we need. And if we fix the research topics, then under the research topics, we should fix the title. Topics is a vague form, or its scope is very large, and title we narrow down. After narrow down, we select that the subject matter, particularly that is based on very narrow scope, and it has narrow scope. We should concentrate our research within the subject matter of that research title. So, today I am going to teach you about how to select research topics and research title. So, research topics as first, in which discipline we are going to conduct research. That discipline is known as research topics. And within that discipline, there are different other subject matter for investigating. For investigation, there are different subject matter, and those subject matter, particularly if we select one, that is the research title. And research title is appropriate or not, whether that research we conduct in time or not, whether we have that much budget or not, and whether that research is feasible or not. This is very important. Before selecting research title, we should keep different important points in our mind. And those important points are time at first. What time it takes to conduct the research. If very long time it takes, then within the fixed period of time, we cannot conduct the research. We cannot complete the research. And next one, if research is not feasible. Feasible in the sense of that if it is very difficult to identify the respondent, it is very difficult to identify the population, and it is very difficult to get literatures regarding that title. So that is not feasible. And next one, budget is very important. during research process that the budget is needed. If we are not able to manage that types of budget, then we cannot conduct the research. So this very important point we should keep in our mind before selecting the title of the research. Now, I am going to tell you that factors to be considered while selecting topics or while selecting title. Different factor always we should keep in our mind before selecting research title. If these points are not carefully not studied, then that research we cannot complete. So these points are very important during the selections of research title. So today's topics is different factors which we consider during the time of research title selection. So what different factors we should consider? Here I have written here 7 points we should keep in our mind. These 7 points are the important factor we should consider while selecting research title. The first point is brainstorming. So brainstorming means very deep thinking about the title. Deep thinking means that title is suitable for investigation or not. Why it is suitable? How I conduct research. If I select this title, how I carried my research, how I carry my research. Similarly, if we have deep thinking about the title, then idea generated in our mind. If idea generate, then that idea help to select the right title. So brainstorming is very important factor. Next one, deep interest. So interest is very important. If any researcher is not interested in that discipline, if he or she has no idea about that discipline, then he cannot conduct the research. So if you are very interested, if you are very familiar about the area, about the subject matter, then you have deep interest. Otherwise, you have no interest. So, deep interest subject matter is only chosen for the research title. If there is no interest on the research title of researcher, then researcher cannot conduct research and result will not be good result. And next one, journal background information. So background, if that the researcher is unknown about the background of the research title. So background means its history, its terminology, and knowledge about the subject matter on which research title is based. If he don't have any knowledge about that, if he don't have any information, background information, where we obtain data, where we get literature, if he is unknown about this one, then he cannot conduct the research. Okay? And next one, worth. Worth is very important. So during the time of title selections, whether it is important for the society, whether it is important for the community, whether it is important for the nation, it is very important. That research does not play any role for the society, for the community, for the nation, then such types of research have no any worth. So it has very important role. That is the worth, and we should be very careful about worth while selecting research title. Manageable. So each and every work should be manageable. If we cannot manage the budget, if we cannot manage time, if we cannot manage the subject matter, then how do we conduct research? So research cannot go ahead. So it should be very manageable in the sense of subject matter, in the sense of budget, in the sense of time, and in the sense of other requirements. And next one, flexible. Flexible means that types of subject matter we should select, in which during the research, if such types of information we cannot get, if respondent regarding to the subject matter of the research are not available, if information we cannot get, if that the literature also very difficult to obtain, then we should change, certain change in the subject matter of the research title. That is the flexible. And research design, what we fixed, if it is rigid on that, then we cannot change the research design. What we fixed already, on the basis of that, we should conduct our research. So there is rigidity of the subject matter of research title. So such types of research title is not good research title. So there should be flexibility regarding to its subject matter, regarding to its research design, regarding to its time, regarding to its budget, and regarding to its respondent also. And next one, make a list of keywords. So keywords is very important. Keywords means terminology. What terminology mainly concern to the research title? And those terms, those keywords, when we collect, then that the researcher should have clear idea about the research title. If we are unknown about the keywords, then how we understand the subject matter of research title? So these are the very important factors we should consider during title selection. That's all for today. If you have any query, if you are not clear about the subject matter, then you comment in this video, and I request you to subscribe my channel, and then you like, you comment, and you share this video. Thank you.